In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this product mockup. And you can do that with two completely free tools. One is called Canva and the other one is a 3D mockup generator. And there are a lot of 3D mockup generators online and I tested a ton of them. But this is actually the only one that I found that didn't require me to either create an account or give my email away or to buy any credits, or that had restrictions in sense of how many images I can create or download. And in addition to that, it had, in my opinion, the beautifulest images. So there were some mockup generators that had like pretty old school images, but I think these ones are really nice. And I love these shadows that they have. And if you want to create such a 3D mockup, either for a lead magnet or your ebook, or maybe for your podcast or for your online course, then you can choose if you want to have a single one or if you want to have a bundle. And depending on what you choose, you either need just a cover like here, or you need a cover and a spine image like there. So if you see the spine of this ebook, then you need to upload two images. So first of all, you choose an image that you like. Then you go to next, then you upload two images, and I prepared already two on Canva. So when you go to Canva, if you don't have an account yet, just sign up for free. And what you do then is you go to create design, then you create a custom size. And for the book cover, this is the size that you need to choose. Then you say create a new design, and you can either upload your own image or you can search in these photos. And I chose a beach image, for example, and a text box. So you go to these elements, you just choose this text box. Let's say we are doing a Mexico guide. That's just an example image. Maybe like that. Then we copy the hex code. Then we create a spine. And this is the size that you need for the spine. Then you can just paste in the color. And you can either leave it like that or you can make it a little bit darker. And then you just need to add the text. So we need to zoom in a little bit. I would just put in the year as an example. Like that, and then I can download it as a PNG. Then we are going to download the cover also as a PNG, and then we go to the DIY book covers homepage and we are going to choose a cover. So I think this one is good, and then we need to find our cover. And this is the only thing that I think they could improve. So you don't see that anything happened, but he actually chose the file, and when you click on upload, then you will see it. Then you go to browse again and you choose the spine and again upload it. So then you go to next, and now it created the mockup. So when you scroll to the bottom, you can download the PNG file and the JPEG file. So if you want to have a transparent background, you need to download the image in PNG. And if you want to have a white background, you download it in JPEG. And when I go to my image software that is like Photoshop just for free, it's called GIMP, I can drag the PNG in, and then you will see that it has a transparent background. I can now scale the image so that it looks a little bit like the final image, like that. And if you drag in the JPEG image, you can see that it has a white background. So that is how it works, and I will post the link to both softwares and the sizes of the images that you need in the description below. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below.